What's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can read Instagram messages without seeing. So let's jump into the video. What you need to do, first you have to open up the Instagram app. Okay, you have to open up the Instagram app, then you have to go to your profile. After that you have to go to on the settings and privacy. You have to click on this three dot bar icon to do so. Then you have to scroll a little bit. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after going to this, guys, you can do it in two ways. The one way is you can read their message, and with after the you turn off the mobile data, you can read their message. And the second option is the easiest way that I'm going to show you. You have to go to on these messages and story replies. This is the easiest way, guys. Please make sure you watch the full video. So after doing so, you have to go to on show read receipt. Then we can see this option is turned on. You have to turn it off. You can see here is a message read receipt. Other can see when you have read their messages. If this option is turned on, anyone can see when you have read their messages. So after turning it off, you are ready to go. After that you can see read anyone's message without them knowing that they can't know that either you have read their messages or not. So this is it guys. I hope you find this video helpful. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.